beginner in Python and you want to know about the modules with the help of which you can create amazing projects as a beginner, then this video is for you. So hello everyone and a very warm welcome to WsCube Tech. My name is Ayushi Jain and in this video we are going to talk about 7 modules with the help of which you can create amazing projects, and they are so interesting. So we'll be talking about our first module over here, which is the random module. With the help of random module you can create amazing projects. You can create projects like rock, paper, scissors, random password generator, a dice roll program, a jumbled word program, and so many more. There are some very basic functions with the help of which you can create amazing projects. For example, if it is rock, paper, scissors, you can ask computer to choose any one between the rock, paper, scissors, and you can choose one and then decide that who is the winner and who loses the game. In the random password generator, just like how Google gives you different suggestions of different kind of password that you can use for your email address, similarly you can create such kind of passwords by using random dot choice, and you can give number of characters over there. Moving ahead, let's talk about our second module, that is the OS module. OS module allows you to interact with the operating system in Python. So suppose if you want to rename a file, move a file, you want to delete a directory, rename it, and you want to make any changes that you can do in the terminals, you want to do the same type of things in Python, then you can use OS module. With the help of OS module you can create projects and it will help you to build your logics and you will be able to understand that how actually things work. The third module that I'm going to suggest over here is the turtle module. The turtle is not going to help you a lot in the future, but if you want to create some interesting projects with the turtle, you can do this. Turtle module is used to create graphical designs in Python. So it has basically a turtle which is assumed to have a pen tied down to its belly, and it moves places to places wherever you ask it to move, and then it creates a design for you. If you have seen different shots and different reels where they have created Spider-Man, logo of Python, logo of Netflix or Instagram's logo, that is all done with the help of the turtle module. Moving ahead, our next module on number 4 is Selenium. With the help of Selenium, you can automate a website. Not just you can automate website, but if you want to scrap data using Selenium, you can easily scrap data using Selenium. You do not have to send any HTTP request to the website. You can directly scrap the data with the help of Selenium. With Selenium, you can create amazing projects. You can automate different websites, or you can automate those websites which has game. So you can create again a very amazing projects with the help of it. Next, number 5th library is Tkinter. With the help of Tkinter, you can create GUI applications, that means graphical user interface applications. In Python, when you write any code, it just show you an output on the output screen. But if you want to create an app like how a desktop app is created, you can use this Tkinter library. It is very easy to use. It has many widgets like labels, buttons, images, radio button, checkboxes, and so many more things are there. Also, you can connect it with the database and create amazing library management project or school management project or college management project, fee collection project, or different kinds of projects you can build with the help of Tkinter. The next amazing module that I'm going to suggest you is Python text-to-speech library. It's a very exciting library to use. With the help of Python text-to-speech, you can convert any text that is showing on your output screen or that you have written in a Python code, and you can convert it to a speech. Not just this, if you combine it to our 7th module, that is speech recognition, then you can create amazing projects. With the help of speech recognition, whatever you say, Python will recognize that data, and you can also use Google Translator to translate that, and later you can use Python text-to-speech to speak that text. And if you combine the last 2 modules, that is Python text-to-speech library and speech recognition, you can create very amazing projects. Not just these, but if you combine these libraries with the other projects as well, you can combine it with the Tkinter, you can combine it with random module, or you can combine it with different modules, and you can create projects that work like chatbots, like how chatbots speak or respond to any of your questions. Similarly, these libraries will help you create projects which will respond to your voice, and it will also read the text for you. So guys, these were the 7 libraries which I would recommend that you should know as a beginner, and with the help of these libraries you can create amazing projects as well, and also they are really very interesting. So I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe, and for more such content, stay tuned guys. Thank you.